Few days ago, Alibaba has launched their new autonomous AI coding agent named Qoder. In last video, I have used it and talked about its result, how much time it takes to generate. But in today's video, we will really test it with the other AI coding tools like Windsurf, which I have purchased the subscription. Is it really worth it? Is it better than Windsurf or it's just a hype? We will create a simple to-do task app and a website, and then we will see which one is better, which design is better, which have more features and which have lesser bugs. We will test it. So let's open both. So here is the Windsurf. I have purchased its subscription. Here you can see its cascade code, and here we can use Qoder. Okay, so in what the main first difference here is in Windsurf and Qoder is, here I have to select the models manually, which model I want to use, thinking, other model, which Claude for design, or which model I want to use. But here it's just agent mode and ask mode. In agent I don't have to choose any model, it will automatically choose model which is best. Like for, like, let's suppose for front end it will choose automatically GPT-5, for back end it may choose Gemini or Claude. So according to our task, it will automatically select the best working model for that. So it's better here. Okay, and also there are many more features in it. We will talk about it. Okay, so first let's get our prompt. So yep, here we go. So we will copy from here a basic prompt of to-do app. Here it is. We will provide it a basic to-do app mode prompt. Okay, so here you can see, create a comprehensive task management application with the following feature: core functionality, task creation, editing and delegation, deletion, and modern interface, dark light theme toggle, dashboard with task overview, can calendar view for due dates, technical requirements, what language you want to make it in, local storage for data persistence, which database you want to use, and all other things we have mentioned in it. We will add the same prompt here too. Okay, so we will open a timer to here, so to test which generate in what time. Okay, so because time also matters, last time we tested the Qoder, it was taking a lot of time. So today we will test both. First one will be for Windsurf and second one will be for Qoder. So let's enter it both. Okay, so let's start. This is for Windsurf and this one is for Qoder. Okay, so in Windsurf we have selected Cloud Sonnet 4 model, and inside this Qoder we have selected the only agent model, because it will automatically select all the models like which it want to use. GPT-5 it want to use, Claude it want to use. It will choose the model for every feature dynamically. Okay, so here is the to do etc, add to do's etc. So yep, let's see how much time the both will take, and let's see the result. I will skip this part and we will see timer how much time both have taken to create a simple app. Windsurf has created the whole application. Okay, you can see here Windsurf has created the whole application in around 19 minutes and 41 seconds. Okay, and there are some things in it we will tell you, but it have created the application in 90 minutes and 41 seconds. While Qoder is still creating it, let's see how much more time it will take to create the application. We can see the timings here. The Windsurf has created it in 19 minutes and 41 seconds, and the Qoder have made it in 28 minutes. That's where the difference come. Windsurf is paid, it's not free, and currently Qoder is absolutely free with much more features, but it takes much more time than Windsurf to create things. Okay, so let's see the result of both. Okay, in Windsurf, after adding the prompt, it created a task, to do's, as like it also created a to do. Qoder also created a to do. Okay, and what Qoder have done is it have done everything in just a single prompt. Like I don't have to do nothing. Just one bug came, I just have told it and then it fixed it. But in the Windsurf, what it have done is it have limited context window. As I have said to you, the Qoder has unlimited context window, not unlimited, but it have some sort of algorithm which make the context window much more better than Windsurf. So what I have to done in Windsurf is I have to type continue and continue many times. You can see here. Okay, and here in the Qoder it have done everything in just one run. So that's the main difference in both of the thing. First, now let's test our apps. Which one looks much better? Okay, so from a UI perspective, both looks good. Like it's look much cleaner one, and it's look it's also look good. Let's see night mode. I think it's night mode, and that is not working. The Qoder one is not working, but in the Windsurf, yep, in the Windsurf one, the light theme and the dark theme function is also working, but in Qoder it's not working. So that's also a thing to test. And now let's test the other things. Task, no tasks found, calendar, projects, habits. Analytics tab, it's not much better. Analytics tab is better than the Windsurf one. So close competition, both have the button on here, it is not working. Okay, so let's do it. Let's add a task. Before adding a task, let's create a new project. Let's suppose project, we will create a created. Let's see project, yep, it's created, but UI is not looking good. Okay, so now let's create one in the this one projects. Great, oh my god, its UI is looking much more better, you can see here, than the this one, than the Windsurf one. And then we will add a task here. This button is not working. We'll add task by clicking here, task title, create one YouTube video, description nothing, priority medium, category it's work, project this one, and due date will be I think 29/08/2025. We'll do that project this, save tasks. We can add tags here also, but we are unable to save the task here. Let's in the task master, add task, title, one YT video, demo, priority, category. Let's select category, work. The UI is not much better here. Okay, I can say that the UI here is much better. The function UI. Let's I have clicked on here, so it's not giving me much better drop down. Okay, so save task. It have saved task. The backend it have created is not much reliable, but yesterday I have created an app that was much more reliable. Sometime it can happen. Okay, so yep, it's working much better. So according to me that I have tested it, you can see task, calendar, projects, they both have, like, you can say, close competition. You can choose both. If you are a beginner, then you can go for the Qoder, and because it's free you can test the new things here. But if you are if you are a good developer or developing things from last much more time, you can go for Windsurf. Okay, because you can say it have produced everything without bugs, and it is also better. You can test it yourself too, but according to me they have close competition. Sometime Qoder may perform better, sometime Windsurf may perform better. Okay, but Qoder have much more features than the Windsurf. Okay, because they have this quest thing. I will test it in another video, but this is also very good thing. What Windsurf does, if we want to change anything or add a feature, we have to do it one by one, which will take a lot of time. Okay, like one, then we will work on second feature, then third feature. Rather than that, what we can do in Qoder is we can add multiple tasks simultaneously. We can add first task here, then we can create new task, then we can add task. It will do all the things on its own. We don't need to do anything, but here we need to give it prompt one by one for each and every feature. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video. For the last suggestion, Qoder is a good tool, and Windsurf is also good. They both have the close competition, but as much I have used Qoder, I can give it, if out of 10, if Windsurf is 8, I can give it solid 8.5. Not much difference, but yep, good, it have good difference. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. If you want to test any other tools, any other models, just let me know. I will test those and give you results on the YouTube too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.